मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, इसका नाम है आना. हाय आना.
Hi.
Anna,
Yeah.
tell me how many countries you visited totally?
I'm not sure, but I can tell it. Last year I've been in Europe,
Hmm.
in Spain, Madrid, Barcelona, and last year it's Paris in France, in Royan, and then in the Portugal, in the Atlantic Island. This is Azores. After we go to Mallorca. After the Mallorca, we move to America in the Chicago, and then after 2 weeks in the Chicago, we go to Wisconsin. After the 1 week in the Wisconsin, in the Colorado, then back to Dubai. But
Wow.
before that, I've been in Hong Kong.